Welcome to our channel. Today we how to subscribe with Freshworks CRM for multi-channel inbox step by step clearly. Open your web browser and navigate to the Freshworks CRM website. Log into your Freshworks CRM account using your credentials. Once you are logged in, locate the Apps section on the left sidebar. Click on the Apps option to access the App Marketplace. In the search bar, type Multichannel Inbox. Press Enter to find the Multichannel Inbox application. Look for the Multichannel Inbox from the list of search results. Click on the Multichannel Inbox application to view its details. Review the details and click Confirm to proceed. Next, you may need to enter your payment information if required. Fill in the necessary fields for billing information. After entering your details, click Submit or Continue. You will receive a confirmation that your subscription is successful. Now, return to the main dashboard of your Freshworks CRM. Locate the Multichannel Inbox feature in your applications. Click on it to start setting up your multi-channel inbox. Follow the on-screen instructions to configure your inbox settings. You can link various communication channels, such as email and chat. Customize your preferences for notifications and responses. Once you finish configuring your settings, save your changes. Your Freshworks CRM multi-channel inbox is now ready for use. If the page does not load, refresh the browser or try again in a private or incognito window. Make sure you are using the correct email address, then retype it carefully to avoid small typos. If your password is not accepted, use the reset option and create a new strong password you can remember. Check your spam folder for verification or security emails, then complete any requested confirmation steps. Enable two-factor authentication if available to improve account security and reduce unauthorized access risk. After signing in, review your profile details so your contact information and settings are accurate and current. If you see an error message, note it down and try again after restarting your device and internet connection. Log out when you finish, especially on shared devices, to keep your account and payment information secure. If the page does not load, refresh the browser or try again in a private or incognito window. Don't forget to like this video and subscribe to our channel for more step-by-step tech guides.